Karbilo Charia Song Pen Rakio Hormo Potak Chirok Tok Asai Kideng. Lama Kang Turpen Troke Braketom, Difu Kala Kendra Keseng Arni Katalon. National Highway 36 pen kilometer Kithomra Kaheluan, Tarabasa Havara Lokedo Oklongku Picnic Spot Kilang Kapangkri. News time along pen kadoko ve phanta karton pajiriglo nonar juponik tham pure dang ton pen Karbilo Charlia song hitipia rola pen Karbilo Charlia song Bokajan Regional Committee tum jangmi cap arni rakyo hormu okprana phan hinu pa pothak mirja English High School along isi cherok to amu pachunpon Araki kenangni ekai silang po alam athepi pen Karbilo Charlia song hitipia sa hemalongta cherok to asai padutu Raki mate drugs kerim ke kithialo sam drugs pen chipahelo nangji Karbilo Charlia song asong jatum la so alam Thurmi owe kimia phan than pachini Chikip isi aning kimi amonit atum Karbiang long Autonomous Council kedama towar along pharo kresep kebra phokebra phonikan chitini phai krepli arni difukala kendra akimi seng si lunkan lapen arjan ki aning ke do awea phan isi kacharli anghap ingpupon Pining anke Difu Kala Kendra Arta Nikan Chokebra Kethaman Pleng Tanglo Nikan Chokebra Kethom Difu Kala Kendra Keseng Arne along Pachiton Pen Jangmini Pai Kep Arni Kendra Maipu Mukul Chandra Borwa Lama Ingtursi Aprang Asonasana Jaimek Angdeng Pachun Pontu Karlitang Atuma Phan Kachikimo Adichio Hampang Klembang Koren Das Apasi Pekpon Lama Kangtura Mailong Difu Kala Kendra Akong Chunbang Dilip Kumar Das Pen Chenglok Pen Anarleng Kesaratum Chitong Dun Rinti Karbiang long along rike kilang memia son dope klason thak thaksi tarabasa dung het oklong kupa di malong ta kijoy kilang memia son kedua jok tourism asai kapen lak atang kapen selam ponlo sitami labangso kijoy kilang di ma pharman rat athengno sai kamahin pen ko anma kipach thang ponangji kipach thang theda jok kaslam dam ason do anta non ke hengno bom tanglo lan chot takali lasok kijoy kilang adimalong kang rampen ajok munidatum kijoy kilang dam tahai bang awidet asonsi chemanlo Sorkar ahin pen kapang dak pon ke Karbiang along ria phan kijoy kilang anathu ardi kibi pon jia potha kapachatak asai ta pado pon titi an chot takali Union Minister Nitin Gadkari MLA kilika praman mate vote ke hang amayalong nang kachitong duna hut kaning JK Karbiang long along ri helicopter pen ke wang hut kilang along dopek an laso long ri ke kijoy kilang along ri chadi lase RDP pen madu sitami chipalong ponang popusi lamthi pangdak tekang sitami pini arni anta pachun chedet asonsi nang manlo lase non Karbiang long Autonomous Council ke chari bom team Karbiang long ahin pen laso adima long puthot scheme deng pon thu pen ansu se Karbiang long along ri amen kapati thang dun jia phan sai deng pon asonti mepikji lapen adunga rai aratum sitami kereng dun jia phan war sai long nurinti popusi ong dunga aratum pherang kia phan than pachini non malam sopor phan thina pharman bir taming te bonik sina Jubu Sports Restaurant Lounge, HRSJ Complex, 2nd floor, Taramnala Road, Difu, Karbiang long. The first and ever sports lounge in town. Tune you up with live music, dead to inject, jam pad, and pool game, where you can play with friends or play with legends, along with seafood items like octopus, lobster, prawns, squid, tuna fish, and many more are available only at Jubu Sports Restaurant Lounge. For reservation, contact 9957381813 or 8638462619 or 8812998125. Please make your visit in AL Exotic showroom. It's time to replenish your garden with different kinds of exotic plants. Various kinds of exotic plants, PE pots, gift items, and more accessories for both indoor and outdoor are available here. Exotic showroom near SR Petrol Pump, Difu, Karbiang long.
opposite LDRB Difu Karbi Anglong, Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items.
Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kejun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecu ajam tu tharmit aduk thelua kreng chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dinamo people that beer talong bang thulo Assam University Difu Campus Teachers Association pen jangmi sirkep arni Difu Campus along protest rally pado.
Protest rally along pada dipin pen association antum soning ko akimang pacu nangji pusi cesong pon pinpur alu Difu Campus along MPhil PhD kecali abar sai padu nangji lapen tribal study center binangji prabjin pen data operator woreng abar sai pinangji Assam University along Difu Campus abarim than bangaphan Assam University along parlo nangji haihui akimang pinpur alu long Difu Campus Pro Chancellor aphan epak pinpur alu pajil pusi AUDCTA akonchin bang Willy Dhanaraju ferangke aphan than pachini.
In the month of December, almost 3 months completed. So, in charter of demand, there are 20 demands which are all which are relevant to the development of this campus in general, and particularly some development of the departments. So, very interestingly, our authority, Assam University, has not been responding to our demands. So that is why today, 2 days back, we submitted the reminder letter to the authority. Though we have not received any kind of response from them, it seems that they have a lot of exclusion towards exclusion kind of atrocities towards Difu campus. It is highly questionable, highly condemnable. So though we are minority in Difu campus, but we have our rights. You have been working, though you don't have minimum facilities, minimum human rights, even you don't have water facility, you don't have medical facility, you have so many kind of problems. Still we are working for the development of this campus, but there is no such kind of cooperation from Silchar and authority of Difu campus. So that is why today we have taken up the rally to fulfill our genuine demands.
Karbia khai de isi khai kamthima potsi methang pindeng support ilam iki luntomo anta methang along dolap la pet chedor pluk Karbia khai tumta hangko pensin angki plang duna matsi Karbia khai longta asonason kilang memia son do pininile tumnang li tumak phan kipaklang ponji ningke hang lake mir herai alam Mir herai ta isi kilang mesan amir lapen ilitum Karbia khai tumalong mir herai po amenta isi je thangklong hako pen nonta munit atum tingni bang velang mir herai amen lapen amir ong dunga Karbia tum chini lapen theklong saidelo lapen laso amir herai amir pen ilitum bihek hut kijoi hut en pon non tame penang atum mir herai lap ning dolang tahai Mir herai lake jase metheria chikrosi pang phar phar lapen apu laki kilik japhan madu taning hang la so mir herai ke kipa puta ing hai jai ji lapen ipupu wetsi paputiti lapen aningkan wangta papuwer mir herai ke doadem lapen ka papua porote lang mesen lapen kilang ining ing samta to bang ka chathan ahok nya hok heni patini pami thek thelang mir herai ke doadem phi arnama tumta dodo mate jui pusi hako bang ke sar saratum chathan than mir herai ke isi dowai puta chathan rinti laki diabetes ake sophat pami un puta pena anatum chinia bang do mir herai lake Karbia khai tum along isi amen chathang klong lapen chitemu meme amir binong Birta bagela pas kang ton poniklo do mithak me kurwang thu